Hey guys, it's Jess from Madden Crafts. Today I'm teaming up with a group of creative bloggers to share some fun dollar store ideas. I will be showing you how to use cheap dollar store items to decorate for New Year's Eve. First, you can make a festive backdrop for your table using dollar store gift wrap. Mylar streamers are perfect for New Year's Eve, but they can be a little pricey. The dollar store carries holographic Mylar gift wrap on a roll. Just tape up the gift wrap, cut snips along the bottom, and carefully tear up the length of the gift wrap to DIY your own streamer background. Once you have the backdrop decorations up, add some glam to the tabletop as well. I found a package of silver and gold star glitter at the dollar store, so I scattered a few handfuls across my table. Now it's time to DIY a New Year's Eve ball decoration. I found a large plastic ornament at the dollar store that will make a perfect stand-in for the Times Square ball. You could just hang the ornament as is, but I decided to add 2018 in gold vinyl. I cut the vinyl with my Cricut and weeded out the excess vinyl. Here's a dollar store vinyl hack. If you run out of transfer tape, you can use dollar store contact paper instead. I centered the New Year's Eve ball and hung it above the table. Next, I added some champagne coupes and highball glasses to the table. If you would like the tutorial for the rhinestone coupes, I will leave the link in the description box below. Once the glassware was in place, I added in some very glittery ribbon, also from the dollar store. This ribbon sheds a lot of glitter, so be aware of that ahead of time. I added in a few mini disco ball ornaments from the dollar store around the glassware too. And finally, no New Year's Eve party is complete without some festive noisemakers. For just a few dollars, I was able to decorate for New Year's Eve with items from the dollar store. Be sure to visit my blog to see all the other dollar store DIYs being shared today. Give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new, subscribe to this channel if you aren't already, and thank you so much for watching.